Hello everyone, welcome to Tute. In this Python series, we have started with the chapter operators. In this video, we will understand what is identity operator and Python membership operator. Now, what is identity operator? Identity operator are used to determine whether a value is of certain class or type. And here you can see that Q is 100 and Z is also 100. So basically it also check whether the two variables are equal or not, but the main function is to check whether a variable is of certain class or type. So here I have written Q is equal to 100, Z is equal to 100, Q is Z. So Q is 100, Z is 100, so it returns true because Q is also 100 and Z is also 100. Now here I can check the data type of a certain variable. Now this type function is an inbuilt function in Python which is used to check the type of certain variable. So here I have written Q, type Q is float or not. I am checking whether the data type of this variable Q is float or not. So you can do that with the help of is operator. So run this and the output is false because the data type of Q is integer. Now let's change this and run this cell and the output is true. Okay, so this is operator is used to check whether the certain variable is of particular type or class. Similarly, the opposite is not. So this is not operator. Here Q is 100, Z is 100. So Q is not Z. Definitely it will return false because both the values are equal here. Similarly, I am going to change here is not. So I am saying that this Q variable is not integer. Okay, so this is my statement. So let's run this and I got false. Okay, because Q is integer, right? So that's why I got false. The next operator is Python membership operators. Now you can create list, tuple, strings, okay? But if you want to check whether your value exists in that tuple or not, or exists in that list or not, you can do that with the help of Python membership operator. Now the Python membership operator are in and not in. Okay, so these are the two operator, in, not in. Okay, so A is 100, B is 200. So these are the two variables which I have defined here, and I also have created a list. In that list there are 4 elements: 100, 200, sun, moon. Here I am checking if A is in the list or not. So here I don't need to use for loop. Here I am just using one operator which is in operator, which is Python membership operator, to check whether the element exists in sequence or not, whether my element exists in list or not. So here 100, A is 100, 100 is in list or not. If it exists, then print present. Okay, so I'll run this. So the output is present. Now I'm changing here. Here I'm passing some string. So let's take my name Apurva. Run this cell and run this. Here I'm not getting anything because Apurva doesn't exist in the list. That's why I got no output. Now let's add this in the list and check. Yes, I got the output. Okay. So in this way, with the help of Python membership operator, you can check whether the element exists in the list or not. Similarly, not in operator is used. So let's change it, not in. Okay, not in the list. And instead of A, I'll change it to B and print this. Okay, I need to change this statement as well, not present. Run this. And I got the output not present because B is 20 and 20 is not in the list, so not in. Okay, so these are Python membership operator, in, not in, and identity operators are is not. Okay, thanks for watching.